So going with again P0. P0 currently requires 7, 4, 0. It is less than what we have. That is what is available. That is 7, 4, 5. So we will accept it. This would be in the series. This would be in the series. Fourth one to get accepted. So again repeating the same process. So whatever is available, that is 7, 4, 5 minus the needed, that is 7, 4, 0, which will give us new available currently, which is 0, 0, 5. So after P0 is over, whatever is released. So P0 is releasing some heavy stuff, that is 7, 5, 3, which will be added with the earlier available, which is 0, 0, 5. So together what we have is the final available after P0, which is 7, 5, 5. So we'll update that. So after P0 we'll again try for P2. P2's requirement is 6, 0, 0, which is less than the available of 7, 5, 5. So we accept it. So we'll have available as, so since we are accepting, we'll remove it from the available, which was 7, 5, 5 minus needed, which was 6, 0, 0. So the new available currently is 1, 5, 5. After P2 gets over, it will release resources. P2 will remove, or rather release 9, 0, 2, which would be added with the earlier available of 1, 5, 5, which will together get us the final available for the problem, that is 10, 5, 7. So the final available what we have from this stage to the current stage is 10, 5, 7. So this is what we are saying, this is what we have, and this was accepted as the final option, fifth. So now to answer the final query whether it is safe or not. So the answer is yes, the system is safe. It is safe and one can allot, but the order in which we are supposed to do is P1, P3, P4, then P0, and then finally working with P2. Then this is a safe state to do. Another similar question which we have is, if the request from a process P1 arrives at 1, 0, 2, can this request be granted immediately? Now for this we have to again go back to the original matrix. Let me see that. Let us see how we can go about it. And if we talk about, I'm only copying P1's part. P1 allocated is 2, 0, 0, and max needed would be 3, 2, 2. What they have asked in this is, if P1 arrives for 1, 0, 2, can this request be granted immediately? Especially we have to keep in mind that available at this instance is also what has they given, that is 3, 3, 2. So we would alter. Suppose the request would be, instead of 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, that if P1 arrives with the request of 1, 0, 2, most of us would understand this way, but the fact would change, or it would work with this manner, that P1 when now require, instead of 1, 2, 2, would require 1, 0, 2. So obvious, the allocation and the need matrix would change. But even in this case, current available as well as the final available is greater. So we would say yes, P1's request of 1, 0, 2 can be granted. So that's it. This is the sum. Thank you.